In this video, we're going to discuss why budgeting matters on $2,000 per month. You make $2,000 a month. Rent is due, groceries aren't getting cheaper, your friends are out spending, but you're stuck doing math in your head at the checkout line. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. You're not broke. You're just unarmed. Most people think budgeting means sacrifice. No fun, no freedom, just survival. But what if I told you that budgeting on $2,000 a month isn't about cutting everything out? It's about choosing what to keep in. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you a blueprint, a mindset, a method, a movement. And by the end of this video, you won't just feel in control, you'll feel wealthy, even on a starter income. Let's start with the biggest lie you've been told. I'll start budgeting when I make more money. Wrong. Money doesn't fix money problems. Mindsets do. A $2,000 income with clarity will always beat a $5,000 income with chaos. Here's the shift. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about direction. Money is like water. Without a container, it spills everywhere. Your budget? That's the container. And you control where it flows. Ever open your bank app and think, wait, where did all my money go? That's not overspending. That's unplanned spending. From now on, we plan with power, not panic. Here's your weapon. The 50-30-20 rule, simplified for your $2,000 income. 50% needs, $1,000. Rent, utilities, groceries, minimum debt payments. 30% wants, $600. Streaming, dining out, fun, but smartly. 20% savings, debt payoff, $400. Emergency fund, investments, extra loan payments. Sounds basic? Maybe. But simple scales. Complicated fails. And no, need does not include a $7 latte every morning. Unless it's your only therapy, then we'll talk. Let's break it down even further, because math without meaning is just stress. Let's take that $2,000 and slice it with intention. Rent and utilities, $800 to $1,000. House hack if you must. Roommates aren't fun, but neither is financial regret. Groceries, $200. Shop smart. Meal prep, avoid the DoorDash drain. Phone, charged internet, $100. Find student or low-income plans. Personal, $100. This is your mental health fund. Books, journaling, gym. Keep it sacred. Debt, $100 to $200. Credit cards, student loans. Attack the highest interest one first. Savings, charged investments, $200 to $400. Start small. Start messy. Just start. Feel like this isn't enough? That's the old mindset creeping in. The one that says, I can't. We don't listen to that voice anymore. Now that you've built your budget, how do you stick to it? Use a zero-based budgeting app like YNAB or Every Dollar Automate Everything. Pay yourself first, spend what's left. Cash envelope method for fun money. If it's gone, it's gone. Weekly money dates. Yes, just you and your bank account over coffee. Your friends might think budgeting is boring, but you'll be the one building wealth while they chase dopamine. And here's a secret they won't see coming. A $2,000 budget today can snowball into 6 figures tomorrow. Budgeting isn't the end goal. Freedom is. When you master your money, no matter how little, you gain confidence. You create space for options. And options are the true currency of wealth. That $200 a month you're investing, with compounding, it could become $300,000 plus by retirement. That $50 you save on eating out, that's your next emergency fund contribution. That one no to fast fashion could be your yes to financial peace. You don't need to earn more. You need to own more of what you earn. And once you learn how to do that, you'll never feel broke again. So if you're sitting there thinking, can I really build wealth on just $2,000 a month? Let me be clear. Yes, you can. and you just started, one smart cent at a time. If you want more such videos, let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon for more such content.